I'm going to show you guys them. Some of them are channels that are doing really well, and some of them are videos that are doing really well, to give you guys ideas of other videos you guys could try, and to kind of study the titles and the thumbnails and the things that are making people click. I always tell you guys you need to be studying YouTube, and I do it all the time to see what made a video go viral and why, what titles did they use, what thumbnails did they use, those sort of things. So look at this. 2 months ago, he made this video. A lot of his videos don't have tons of views. He has some that have thousands, but I like to go by sort by, and I'll just click on the side and see one that has millions of views and see how it got there. So he puts, Jada Pinkett talks about Will cheating on her, which I don't think Will did cheat on her. And so that's the clickbait right there. But it doesn't matter because it's still making money. 1.4 million views on this, and it has ads, guys. And everyone's going to click it because everyone's going to go, whoa, I didn't know that Will cheated on her. And he probably didn't, but that's clickbait. That's not always something I teach to do, but look, it has 22,000 likes, only 3 dislikes on it.
To my kings out there that have been cheated on by their women, stop making it your fault. Yes, women cheat too. Now here's the other thing. Sex is one of the strongest.
So she's
not even about what's going on in a relationship. This is about self-mastery.
She's just talking about relationships and cheating in general, not that Will cheated on her. But by putting Will cheated on her, he got millions of views on it. And it didn't get that many dislikes because it's still a good video. You know, Jada's still talking about it, and some people probably flies over their head that she's even, they probably think that she is talking about that Will cheated on her. And so they probably don't even notice that he clickbaited them, but it made millions of dollars, so, or millions of views. And so, you know, this one video is going to get a lot of money on it, probably thousands of dollars. You know, and so, you know, there's one right there. And look at this, top 5 most emotional Fresh Prince scenes. I'm just going to click on that one while we're here. This one might not have ads on it, but 5 million views. And so, you know, I just clicked this on the side. I didn't even study it first, but, you know, and then you can just go in here and check this channel out and see what they're up to. See what they're getting views on. And I just do this kind of stuff all day long. Most popular was that one. And then let's see if ads pop up. Nope. This one. So this guy doesn't seem to have ads, but that was just another one I clicked on. Here's another one. You guys should know right now, LeBron James is being searched like crazy. NBA just started, guys, so people are searching for the NBA. People are searching for LeBron James because he just started with the Lakers. People want to know this stuff. Alright, so I found this guy just by clicking that. 16 hours ago, 281,000 views already. LeBron James chokes and missed free throws in overtime. It's got ads on it, as you can see right here. And all it is LeBron James in the final 2 minutes of the game against the Spurs. But because he put LeBron James chokes and misses both free throws, people are searching for that right now. LeBron James missing free throws. So he's getting a bunch of views on it because people are searching for that. As you can see, in just 16 hours, 281,000 views on that. You know, and so that's probably going to continue to go viral for him. And that's all he's doing, pretty much, is doing basketball highlights. Trae Young shuts up his haters. See, so it's all about clickbaiting. You know, he didn't just put Trae Young makes, you know, 20 points. He says Trae Young shuts up his haters. That makes people want to click on it. He's got ads on it, bro. You know, he did LeBron James shocks Lakers with game tying. So he hit a game tying 3, and then he missed a bunch of free throws. So he made 2 videos out of that, all getting a ton of views. People wanted to see LeBron James hit that buzzer beater, right? Steph Curry gives up game winner to Jones, who gets blocked. Karl Anthony Towns gets scared. So study his titles. Ron Baker gets face destroyed. Gets face destroyed. Right? And it's got ads on it. So study this dude's, but he's not even making videos, right? It's just like he's just getting these. And I teach you exactly how to do all that. And so if you want to look and see how much money this guy's made, he's got 492 million views. And people say, oh, these numbers are bullcrap. They're not bullcrap. They're the numbers I get. If you put an ad to 2 minutes, you're going to get a 10% click-through rate. So somebody commented was like, oh, you don't know. Well, no, I don't know what his click-through rate is, but I know what mine are on my 3 channels, and so those are the numbers I use. Because if I was, you know, because I'm in, one of my niches is this one right here. And you know, I get 10% click-through rate. So I know that if I was to do this, I would get a 10% click-through rate because I'd put the same amount of ads as I do on my channel. So 492 million times 0.10, which is 10% click-through rate, and you get, on average, 3 cents a click. Google it. You get 3 cents a click on average. So he has made, boom, $1,478,000 there on this channel just posting basketball highlights that he didn't even make. So that's crazy, man, right? And then this guy's doing the same type of stuff, DC Killa. So you can search him as well. He's got 45,524,892 times 0.10 times 0.03, 136,000 right there. Boom. And then you want to study, what's he been doing lately? Derrick Rose brings the Wolves crowd to their feet using vintage killer crossover. And then, it's the same stuff. It's like literally the same stuff as the other guy. So it's just basketball highlights because people are searching for basketball like crazy right now. So you can study him. You can look by sort by most popular, see what he's been able to accomplish. LeBron James tells entire world the Showtime Lakers is back. 2.6 million views already. He's got ads, and so it's seriously that easy, okay? Here's another one who I found because he doesn't have that many views on his channel, but he had a really good video that's gotten a lot of views, and you want to study people that are getting a lot of views on a video and see why. Study his tags, his titles, and thumbnails. Especially these kind of guys that don't have that many subs and most of their videos don't have that many views. You want to study the one that blew up and see how did it blow up. What thumbnail did they use? What title did they use? And what tags do they use? Which I teach you in the course exactly how to find the exact tags that they're using. So LeBron James can't stop laughing after Lance ejection. It's got ads on it, and see, he was getting a couple thousand to a couple hundred on all his videos, but then he puts LeBron James can't stop laughing after Lance ejection, and in 1 week 2 million views right there, and he probably got a ton of subscribers out of it too. And he's got ads on it. So those are the kind of things anything, LeBron James laughs at someone and it gets millions of views. Okay, so that's what you want to study, especially people like this that just out of nowhere had a video go viral. This guy, he's doing highlights, like I said, of every player. Bradley Beal highlights. So he either found these or he made them, which again, you just find highlights, you put them together. It's really, really easy to do. I teach you in the masterclass exactly how to do that. He's got ads on it, and he's doing it by player. So he's got highlights for every player for every game. Every player that gets searched a lot, right? He's got ads. And then he's got Golden State Warriors full team highlights. Damian Lillard full highlights for this game, for this game, for this game, for this game, for all the different players that get searched a lot. So that's really easy to do, and it gets a lot of views on it. So as you can see here, 733 million views on just doing highlights of different players for every single game. Because then you don't have to watch the full game. You can just watch your favorite players' highlights. $2 million doing that, guys. Hello. You want to quit your job and be a freaking millionaire? Make some highlight videos about basketball. It's really easy to do. 2 million views there. $2 million there. House of Highlights does the same thing. Lonzo Ball, full Lakers versus Spurs highlights. Blah, 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 blah. Players, highlights. So let's look at this one. 122,294,775 times 0.10 times 0.03. $366,000. $366,000. All right, same thing here. The day Ball Bros legend was born. 9th grader already doing James Harden moves. Who's not going to want to see that? A 9th grader doing freaking James Harden moves. He's got ads on it. They're high school highlights too, so they're not going to be, okay, think about that. I mean, these are high school highlights that he probably found of just kids, balling and then saying, oh, James Harden or whatever. They're high school, so these definitely are not going to be copyrighted. High school games are definitely not going to be highlighted, copyrighted or anything like that. But if you clickbait it right with words like, oh, hits a 3 like Steph Curry or something, from 6th grader hits a 3 like Steph Curry, something like that. It's freaking high school, so it's not going to get hit by any copyright stuff or duplication or anything like that. And, that's a really, really good way to do it. Or the next LeBron James found 7th grade highlights. Something like that. It's not going to be copyrighted because it's freaking high school. And that's all you got to do. Things like that. And so this is a guy you want to study if you want to study stuff like that. Ball is life. Stuff like that. So that's what you want to do. That's a really good idea right there. And then I just clicked on this guy. Why'd I click on this guy? He's got 38 million views. 38, 533, 866 times 0.10 times 0.03. $115,000 there. That's a fun amount of money for a year, isn't it? He started about a year ago. NBA sauciest moves. Boom, he's got ads on it, right? And then you can look at the stuff he does. LeBron and Kyrie best moments together. Who's not gonna want to see that? And he either found these or he just found, you know, different clips and put them together. Again, I teach you exactly how to do that in the masterclass. And, you know, it's easy to do. And even if it takes you half an hour or something to make a video, you know, I'd rather make, you know, freaking $100,000 doing half an hour putting videos together a couple times a week, than going to work for 8 hours a day every single day, right? Just to make, you know, $30,000 or whatever. It's worth it, guys. Sort by most popular. NBA Whoops Moments Part 2. 5.6 million views, and it's got ads on it. I mean, let's talk about that. 5,600,000 views. That alone can pull in $16,000. I mean, how many days do you have to go to work to make that? He probably made this in half an hour and made, you know, $17,000. I mean, come on, guys. So seriously, just go and type in LeBron James on YouTube and just find different people that are posting things. Amazing touchdown. I mean, he's on the front page, and look, he doesn't even have any views. So you can still get on the front page. Look, on the front page right here, amazing touchdown. 127 views, and it's, you know, ranking for LeBron James. So my advice to you would be post something about LeBron James, because